Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play games in Xbox Game Pass on Android. First, download the Xbox Game Pass app from your Android device's App Store. Next, make sure you have an active Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription. Then, simply log in using your Microsoft account that is linked to your subscription. For the best experience, connect a compatible Bluetooth controller to your device before you start playing. Xbox Game Pass uses cloud gaming to stream titles directly to your Android device. For a smooth experience, a stable internet connection is essential, ideally a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. This allows you to explore a vast library of hundreds of games without needing to download them. Always check your device's compatibility to ensure optimal performance and enjoyment. Once you're set up, browse the extensive Game Pass library within the app. When you find a game you want to play, simply tap the play button to begin streaming it instantly to your device. Your connected Bluetooth controller will provide precise control for all your in-game actions. Plus, your game progress automatically saves and syncs across all your devices. To get the most out of your cloud gaming experience, always use the fastest internet connection available, ideally 5 GHz Wi-Fi, to minimize any latency. Keep your Android device fully charged or connected to a power source during gameplay. Closing unnecessary background applications can also free up valuable system resources. Finally, consider a phone clip for your controller for enhanced comfort during longer sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.